Shopify Dropshipping for beginners. In this video, I will explain to you how to use Shopify the right way. As you can see that I am inside the members area of Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get access to Shopify's 30 days free trial, you can click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. As you can see that on Shopify, you can able to see the orders that you have. You can able to see you can able to check the abandoned checkouts, like how many people who went through on the checkout but the abandoned they didn't buy. You can able to see all of the stuff. But now let me show you how you can add your own product on Shopify. All you have to do, just go to products, then click here to add a product. It's gonna take you to this page. This is the page whereby you can able to add your own product on Shopify. Then under title, you have to write the title that you want about your product that you want to sell here. Okay, just put the title there. Then for the description, you have to write a product description that you want to sell. But I use this AI feature from Shopify, which is gonna write for me automatically any product description that I wanted this AI to write. I'm gonna click here to generate text. I have to put some related keywords about the product that I want to sell. Then for the tone of voice, I'm gonna use an expert. I'm gonna click here to generate. So now this AI is writing this product description for me automatically, and then I'm just gonna click here to keep it. When I click here to keep it, then now this is the product description that has been written by this AI for me. You can also write it again so that you can make your paragraph to be longer. Then you can go to media. Under media, you can able to select an image or a video so that you can upload it straight away into your Shopify store. Then for the category, you can also choose the relevant category that you want to use for your product that you want to sell on Shopify. You can also choose there on the right hand side for the product organization. You can choose the product type. It's a physical product or what. Then you put the vendor, then collections, then you can put some text there. Now let's go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price that you are willing to sell your product on Shopify. You can also put the compared price. Then you can also choose the cost per item. It means that how much it is costing you to buy this product in your supplier, maybe on AliExpress. Shopify is gonna show you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be making. For the inventory, just leave everything as default, not track everything there. Then for the shop location, you can also let your customers know when you're running out of stock. You can also put all those things here. This is how you can help to save your own products on Shopify. You make sure that your product status it is active, guys. Okay, that you must put active so that your customers are willing to buy from you. Then you can go to collections. You can see collections that you have. You can also check the inventories. You can also check the purchase orders. You can also do some transfers. You can transfer your money into your bank account. You can also check the gift card. Now let's go to customers. Under customers on Shopify, it allows me to see the customers' details. You can manage them. You can able to track the customers, like how many products they are buying from you. Then you can also check these all analytics. You can able to see how your store it is performing on a specific days, on a specific month, on a specific year. You can check the total sales that you got today, the total sales that you got yesterday, the total sales that you got last week, the total sales that you got last month. The list goes on and on. Then you can also check the online store sessions, like how many visitors they are visiting your store right now. Yesterday, you can see them here. You can also check the online store conversion rate on how your store it is performing. You can also check the total orders. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling, let's say 5 products on a Shopify store, you can check which one is getting the more orders so that you can scale the right products on Shopify. You can also check the returning customer rate. You can also check the sales to attributed to marketing. Now let's go to marketing. Under marketing, this is whereby that you can send email follow-ups on people who went through on the checkout page but they didn't purchase. You can remind them about the product that you were selling via email. So those people, those customers, they will buy from you via emails. Then you can also offer some discounts, maybe 10% discount. People, they love to use discounts so they can get more orders in a Shopify store. Then you can also go to online themes. Under online themes on Shopify, you can able to choose these done for you themes that Shopify is gonna give you guys. Okay, take a look at these done for you themes. You can just customize them. You can put your own logos, put your own price card. This is how easy and simple it is, Shopify, guys. Don't forget to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. Take care and may God bless you, shop.